Hey everyone, Erica here from Rick's Review Hub. Are you done with sweaty lawn mowing sessions? The RoboUP T1200Pro robotic lawnmower is here to make your yard care effortless. This wire-free AI-powered mower is perfect for small to medium lawns up to 3,700 square feet. Want to grab it? Click the referral link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the features. The RoboUP T1200 Pro covers up to 0.37 acres with a 7.87-inch blade, adjustable from 1.18 to 2.36 inches for a custom cut. It uses RTK and AI vision navigation with cameras and sensors, so no boundary wires are needed if your lawn has clear edges like fences or paving. The 24-volt battery runs for 3 hours, covering 3,700 square feet and charges in 2 hours. It tackles 15-degree slopes with sturdy wheels and runs quietly at 55 decibels. The RoboUP app lets you set schedules, map up to 10 zones, and mark 50 no-go zones for flower beds or pools. It supports automatic or manual mapping, adjusts angles for lawn stripes, and includes the mower, charging station, RTK, base, spare blades, screws, and a manual. Now the pros. This mower is a total game changer. The 5-step setup is super easy. No digging required. AI vision avoids obstacles like pets or toys, and the app's customization is a dream for tailored mowing. It's eco-friendly with clippings fertilizing your lawn and whisper quiet so you won't disturb neighbors. Safety features like lift sensors and night pause are awesome for families, and the lightweight design prevents lawn damage. The 15-degree angle adjustment creates professional-looking stripes. For cons, it's best for lawns under 3,700 square feet. Larger yards may need multiple charges. It requires clear boundaries to stay on track, and daylight is ideal for its cameras. Edge trimming needs a separate tool, and at around $1,500, it's a bit pricey for budget shoppers. Should you buy the RoboUP T1200 Pro? If you've got a small to medium lawn and want smart, hands-free mowing, absolutely. It's perfect for busy folks, pet owners, or anyone who loves eco-friendly, safe lawn care. Just make sure your lawn has defined edges and good lighting. Hit that subscribe button for more reviews and click the referral link in the description to get the RoboUP T1200 Pro at the best price from Rick's Review Hub. Special promotional pricing awaits. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.